Hello, welcome back to another video. In this video I will show you some basic DNS commands. Tutorial by Sharier.
Fading it too slowly, were those gonna lift me up this time?
I have used this command on my own website. Use this if you have the permission to do so. The first command is DNS space the URL.
Am I reading something different from your eyes? See you from
The second command is DNS map space URL. It will find phone numbers, contacts and subdomains.
what's to see that I need you? See you for a moment, even hope that I can be you. See you, all that I wanted was to see that I need you. Now I'm finally right here with you.
And now the third command is DNS tracer space the URL. It will track the location of the data center.
Voice is getting near.
And the last one is LBD space the URL. It will check the load balance of the website, whether it can be easily DDoSed or not. That's all for today. In the next video I will show you how to make Windows RAT. Please do subscribe my channel to get more cool videos. Peace.
Me, I'm soaring, seeing all the truth behind